Okay, it takes some time setting it back up. So we carefully put on 2 of the legs. Here's the spot we're going to have. That was there before, so we'll cover that up. And then I did end up gently setting it down so it was at a kind of a teepee with 2 legs down, 2 off. And then when I lifted up the one end, Amy put the legs underneath. That was a little tricky because you can't see very good. But we finally got it. And then I tightened them down and made sure they were in position correctly. So then it came for putting the bars in. So at first I started putting it up. I put one bar in wrong because I had the black. I didn't notice the yellow and the black. I had to switch that. And then the other question was, so you have 2 3-man rods. You have the goalie 3-man and you have the shooter 3-man. I thought they would be the same length, but they're not on the Tornadoes. Some tables they are, but they're not on the Tornadoes. It turns out and I compared the distance between them. So if I remember correctly, the goalie is a little shorter. This rod is like 1.5 inches shorter than the shooter rod, which my logic was, well, the shooter rod, I want more movement so I can have more variability in shooting. But then we double checked it on the internet, and that is true, that this one is a little bit longer, the shooter rod versus the goalie 3-man rod. Okay, so now I'm putting the pins in. And what I do is, and I'm sure this is probably the best way to do it, is take the little guide that you used to pound them out with, put it in from the front, I do, then put the pin on the top, because you can set it right in there, and then that'll keep everything lined up as you tap it in. And I like to hold the bar up and tap it in until they're even, like that. So this bar is done, and now I need to do all the other bars, and then we'll clean it up. Probably put some silicone on the bars and do a test run. I didn't check these, but they all feel tight. And I don't think they're over tight because there seems to be play. I know on my other table, if they get over tight, they don't move very good. Oops, but on this one, there seems to be plenty of play. Okay, let's get the pins in gently. This is a beautiful table though. T-2000 Home Edition is what we think it is.